Hi, Eddie's Kitchen 친구분들. Today, I will introduce a delicious way to enjoy tofu by adding curry flavor to it. It is called KaReDuBu BuChim in Korean. Get 1 pack of tofu, dubu. It is best to use firm tofu for this recipe, but you can also use normal tofu. So, cut the tofu in half lengthwise and then slice each piece into 1/4-inch slices. You will get about 24 pieces. Place the tofu pieces on a paper towel and pat them gently with a paper towel to soak up some of the liquid from them. Sprinkle some salt, 소금, on them. It will take about 1/8 to 1/4 teaspoon of salt for this process depending on your taste. For good flavor and texture, we need this Korean curry powder, 카레가루, and Korean frying mix, 튀김가루. If you don't have this frying mix, you can just use all-purpose flour. Mix together the Korean curry powder and Korean frying mix. Now, break the eggs, 달걀, and whisk them gently with 2 pinches of salt. Coat the tofu pieces with the curry and flour mixture. Then, cover the flour-coated tofu with the egg mixture. If you are a vegan, skip the following egg steps. Here are some garlic chives, buchu, and fresh red hot peppers, 홍고추. Finely chop the garlic chives and the red hot pepper. Add the chopped veggies into the egg mixture and mix it all together. Now, dip the coated tofu into the egg mixture and cover it with the egg. Put the tofu pieces on a preheated pan with about a tablespoon of cooking oil. Fry them for about 3 to 4 minutes on medium or until they become nicely golden brown. It tastes the best right after it's fried, and the flavor is not as good later. So I suggest cooking the right amount for each meal and enjoy them hot. You don't need any dipping sauce for them. Enjoy! 너가
응?
뭐 하는겨?
나는 여기 이걸 먹을 거예요.
먹어보고 싶어요?
네, 한번.
뚜껑 가져보고.
맛있어요. 뜨거워. 뜨거운데.
Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.